Welcome to Vidya Mirad. This video is made for class 7 on chapter number 12 algebraic expressions, and today we are going to do exercise 12.3 of NCERT. Let's begin with it. Question number 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of. Now here certain expressions are given to you. What we are going to do is we will just write 2 in place of m. Okay. So first it is given as m minus 2. Now what is the value of m? 2. So what is 2 minus 2? 0. So just like that we will be doing all the questions. Next is 3m minus 5. Now 3m means 3 multiplied by m. What is m? 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 minus 5m. So 9 minus, put it into the bracket to avoid confusion. 5 multiplied by 2. So 9 minus 10. It will come as minus 1. Please take care of the sign, otherwise your question will be wrong. I will be providing the link of basic rules of integers. Please go through that, where the minus sign will come and where it not become, so that you don't find any difficulty while solving this exercise. Next expression given to you is 3m square minus 2m minus 7. M square means m into m. That means 3 into 2 into 2, which gives you 12, minus 2 into 2, 4, minus 7. So 12 minus 4 minus 7 gives you 1. 5m divided by 2. That means 5 into 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So it's left 5 minus 4, which is 1. Okay. In question number 2, we will be putting p as minus 2 and find the value. Now expression given to you is 4p plus 7. What is p? Minus 2. Put it into the bracket for easy calculations. So 4 multiplied by minus 2, which means minus 8. Minus 8 plus 7 gives you minus 1 as your answer. Minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So minus 3 will remain as it is. Instead of p, I will write minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 7. So 3 into 2 into 2. 3 2 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So 12 will come, and take care, sign will be minus when you have odd integers. Okay. That is, there are 3 minus sign. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 2. So there are 3 negatives. 3 negatives, ending result will be negative only. If you have even numbers, okay, even numbers means the minuses are counting even number. Here 4 minus R signs are there, then your result will be plus. Okay, so minus 12, 4 into 2 is 8, but sign will be minus, plus 7. Solve it, you will get answer as minus 13. Third part. Minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. Put everything in the bracket to avoid any sort of mistakes here. So minus 2 multiplied by p is 3 times. That means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Now how many minuses are there? 4 minus. Just now I told you, when you have odd minus, then your answer will be in minus. When you have even minus signs, then your result will be positive. So plus will come. So 2 into 2 into 2, that comes to 16. 3 into 2 into 2, that comes to 12. But sign is minus. How many negatives are there? 3 negatives are there. So sign will be of minus. 4 into minus 2, 4 to side. How many minus? 1. 1 is odd. So answer will be minus 8 plus 7. Solve it. You will get your answer as 3. Question number 3. Find the value of the following expression when x is equal to minus 1. Take care. Minus is a danger. Red alert. Please do it very carefully. If you are facing problem, put your values in bracket to avoid mistakes. And outside the bracket, you can put plus sign if nothing is mentioned. Number 1. You have 2x minus 7. What is your x? Minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 1 negative. Answer will be in negative. Minus 2. Minus 7. You need to add it, but sign will be of minus. So answer is minus 9. So integers are very, very, very important in this. If you are strong in integers, you can very easily do all this. So do lots of practice. Now you are given already minus x. So I have written minus. Inside the bracket I have written minus 1, then plus 2. What is minus into minus? Plus. So plus 1 plus 2 gives you 3. Next, x square plus 2x plus 1. So x square means minus into minus 1. 2x means 2 into minus 1 and plus 1. What is 1 into 1? 1. Sign will be plus. Why? Minus and minus, I told you it is even here. Even case, plus will come. 2 into minus 1. How many minus? 1 minus. That is odd. So, minus 2. Plus 1 gives you 0 as your answer. Next part. 2x square minus x minus 2. So, 2 into minus 1 into minus 1. How many minus sign? 2 minus sign. 2 minus sign means they are even numbers. So, even means plus will come. So, 2 into 1 is 2 we know. So, sign will be plus. Now, minus into minus, that is plus. 2 minus sign becomes plus. So, plus 1 minus 2, you are solving, you get 1 as your final answer. If a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 2, find the value of. Now, here you have two variables a and b. A square plus b square. So, a square means 2 square, b square means minus 2 the whole square. 2 into 2 is 4. And minus into minus will become plus. 2 evens, 2 negatives are there, that is even. So, it will come plus. 4 plus 4 is 8. Next, a square plus ab plus b square. So, what is it now? 2 square plus 2 into minus 2. Be careful. A is 2, b is minus 2. So, write it in bracket. Plus b square is minus 2 into minus 2. So, 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 is minus 4. 2 into 2 is 4. But there are two negatives. 2 negative means positive. So, when you have even negatives, you will result in positive. When you have odd negative numbers, then result is negative. Now, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. That is your required answer. Then, a square minus b square. It is the same thing which we have done the first part. Only difference is first one is plus, third one is minus. So, result will be 4 minus 4, which gives you 0 as your final answer. Question number 5. Here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Find the expression. 2a plus 2b. So, 2 into 0, 0. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2a square plus b square plus 1. So, 2 into 0 is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. And plus 1 gives you 2 as your answer. 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. So, all are zeros. Why all are zeros? Because every term has a in it and value of a is 0. So, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So, ending result is 0. Next, a square plus ab plus 2. So, 0 into 0, 0. 0 into minus 1, again 0. What is left? 2. 2 is your final answer. Question number 6. Simplify the expression and find the value if x is equal to 2. Now, what we will do is, we are given the situation or expression in brackets. We will first open the bracket and we will simplify our expression wherever it is possible, and at the end we will put the value of x as 2 to know the final answer. Let's begin with the first part. We have x plus 7 plus 4 into x minus 5. So, you know how to open the bracket. So, my expression is x plus 7 plus 4x minus 20. When I solve this, I will get 5x minus 13 as the answer. What is x? 2. So, 5 into 2, 10. 10 minus 13, answer is minus 3. Now, 3 into x plus 2. So, 3 into x is 3x. 3 into 2 is 6. So, 3x plus 6 plus 5x minus 7. So, 3x plus 5x. Now, what am I doing? I will collect the like terms. Remember, add x terms together and numbers together. Okay, don't get confused. Now, what is 3x plus 5x? 8x. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So 8 into 2 minus 1 gives you 15 as your answer. Third part, 6x plus 5 into x minus 2. First open the bracket. 6x plus 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 2 is 10. Put the sign of minus 10. So you get 6x plus 5x is 11x. 11x minus 10 is the expression. So 11 into 2 is 22. 22 minus 10 is 12. Lastly, 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. So 4 into 2x, 8x. 4 into 1 is 4, but sign will be of minus, plus 3x plus 11. So 8x plus 3x is 11x. Minus 4 plus 11 gives you 7. Value of x is 2. 11 into 2 is 22. 22 plus 7 gives you answer as 29. Question number 7. Here you have given different values. X is 3, A is minus 1, B is minus 2. To take care while solving the expression. First is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. What is 3x minus x? It is 2x. Minus 5 plus 9 gives you plus 4. So 2 into 3 plus 4 gives your answer as 10. Next, 2 minus 8x plus 4x plus 4. So first minus 8x plus 4x gives you minus 4x and 2 plus 4 is 6. So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. Minus 12 plus 6 gives you minus 6 as your final answer. 3a plus 5 minus 8a plus 1. So 3a minus 8a, that is minus 5a. 5 plus 1, 6. Now here the value of a is minus 1. Take care. Minus 5 into minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. Next, 10 minus 3b minus 4 minus 5b. Now what is minus 3b and minus 5b? 5 plus 3 is 8. But sign will be of minus. So minus 8b plus 10 minus 4 is 6. What is the value of b? We have to put minus 2. Minus 8 into minus 2, that is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. Next, 2a minus 2b minus 4 minus 5 plus a. Now solve it. It gives you expression 3a minus 2b minus 9. Now put the value of a and put the value of b. You will get your final answer as minus 8. Next question. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z cube minus 3z minus 10. Now expression is given to us. First we will open the brackets. When we open the brackets, we will get z cube minus 3z plus 30 as the answer. Because minus 3 into z is minus 3z. Minus 3 into minus 10 is plus 30. So what we have to do is now we will put the value of 10 in place of z. So my expression becomes 10 cube minus 3 into 10 plus 30, which gives you 1000 minus 30 plus 30. That answer gives you 1000. Second part, if p is equal to minus 10, find the value of p square minus 2p minus 100. Just put the value of minus 10 in place of p. You will get minus 10 the whole square minus of 2 into minus 10 and minus 100. What is 10 into 10? 100. Minus into minus plus. So it will be plus 100. Now you have minus sign outside. Inside is 2 into minus 10. That is minus 20. Minus and minus plus. So plus 20 and minus 100. Your required answer is 20. Question number 9. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x is equal to 0? Now expression is given to us 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. As we have to find out the value of a, we will try to make a alone on one side, whether right or left. For that I have to change the place. If I am changing the place, my sign will change. Take care. A I am shifting from left to right. So minus will become plus. It becomes plus a. 5 I am shifting from my right to left. So from plus sign it will become minus sign. So expression formed is 2x square plus x minus 5 is equal to a. Or I can write it as a is equal to 2x square plus x minus 5. Now we are told that the value of x is 0. So just put 0 in place of x. What will be your final answer? A is equal to minus 5. Question number 10. Simplify the expression and find its value when a is 5 and b is minus 3. Now let's see the expression. It's given in the bracket. The first step is open the bracket and the second step is collect the like terms and then solve it. So when I open the bracket, 2 into a square is 2a square and 2 multiplied by ab is 2ab. So my expression formed is 2a square plus 2ab plus 3 minus ab. Now in this expression I have 2ab and ab as my like term, so I can add here, but this is 2ab minus ab, I will get ab. My new expression formed is 2a square plus ab plus 3. Now what I have to do? I will put a as 5 and b as minus 3 in my expression. So my equation is 2 into 5 square plus 5 into minus 3 plus 3. Try to put your terms in the bracket so that mistakes are less. So 5 into 5 I know 25. So 2 into 25 is 50. 5 into 3 is 15, but there is a minus sign and plus minus is minus and plus 3. So 50 minus 15 plus 3, solve it, you get your answer as 38. With this we finish this exercise 12.3. I hope you must be finding it easy and simple. Don't just confuse in your negative signs. Please do lots of practice for that and then you will end up with correct answers. Very soon I am going to come with exercise 12.4. See you children. Take care. Goodbye.